Hey guys, we're back with another video here. We got the Rx8 in today. We finally got my new rims. They've come in, and yeah, so we gotta put the Rx8 in and put on these new rims. And yeah, it's gonna be a good video.
Let's do it.
All right, guys, the wheels have just come in. I already put 3 out of 4 of the rims in the shop, but we got one right here, and this is the first time I'll be opening it, showing you guys what the rim looks like, because I've been really excited about this. Here we go. It's gonna be exciting. All right, this is the front face of the rim. You guys ready? You guys ready? Oh, wait, never mind. Here we go. Look at that. That's beautiful. That's nice. That looks good. Yep.
19-inch, right?
Yep. 19 by 9.5, plus 22 offset. They're called Kansei Tandems. I got gunmetal gray, I think. Yeah, but these are very cool. Very awesome. Very light. Okay. Very light for a rim, honestly. Yeah. Pretty cool. Look at the Kansei coming up. That. Sick. Are you videoing?
Yeah.
So slippery.
Just wheels firm. Nothing
Yeah,
too-
nothing.
I thought maybe you scratched it, but it's just wheels firm.
Oh wait, I forgot. Oh wait, no, that should, yeah. There we go. This is gonna be loud, so I'll just watch it out.
Oh, yeah. Take the opportunity to watch it.
Yeah,
Spin.
I kinda like it. Get the sticker off. I can't get it off. I can't get it off. There we go. second. Bruh. Last lug nut right now.
Trucking them to spec.
Well, I wouldn't say spec. I don't really know what these are supposed to be at, but
Trucking them to our own spec.
Yeah. You don't want to go too tight, but you also obviously don't want to go too loose. So I put these at 110 foot-pounds. It's a nice even amount
For aluminum.
for aluminum.
Tell me, Daniel, what are we doing here?
Putting air in the tires, or putting air out of the tires. Normally I would go 33, but with the low thing, I'm just gonna go a little low. I'll go 30. So, all right, guys, that's the end of the video. We got the new rims on, as you can see. You know, I'm very happy with them. They came out just the way I wanted them to come out. The only thing I don't like as much is the offset, or not the offset. Just the fitment is not the best right now. But like we said, I'm doing suspension components next winter. So it's not too long that I'll have to deal with this bad fitment, and yeah, and put get this fitment just right. So yeah, we appreciate you guys watching the video. Thank you very much.
And yeah, in the future, we're gonna try to get some more driving videos. I think that's something that's gonna be pretty valuable. It'd be a lot of fun filming and for you guys to watch. And then yeah, so maybe some more shorts, right?
Yeah.
But, maybe we got something planned in the future. So thank you. Until next time.
All right. Yeah. Thank you.